The reason I'm excited is because I just picked this up today from JB Hi-Fi. It's my new DJI Pocket 2 creator pack. These days, with everything you buy, seems to be all about the box. Anyway, that's how I do it. Well, there's my little baby tripod, wireless microphone. Do it all handle, whatever that is. That's a little tripod mount, goes on there. But that's also got one as well, which is interesting. Instructions, who needs those? Stickers. There's more stuff in this box. Put stuff in these nice little bags so I can destroy them. That's the fluffy bit, I think, that goes on the microphone to get rid of the wind noise. This could be really good. I like that. That's for an iPhone. Hopefully I'm never going to need that. USB-C thing. These look like they some sort of connectors on them for connecting phones, maybe. A little joystick. It's a lens. And I, of course, just put my fingerprints right on the front and the back of it when I ripped it out of the bag. This must be the business end. Oh yeah, it's got yellow things. What do you guess that is? A wide angle or a telephoto? We will soon find out. That's the power button, so I better press that. Ooh, there's a screen under here. Device not activated. Connect to DJI Mimo. What on earth is that? Looks like you need an app to make it work. That's a bit annoying. I'll skip that for now. Gosh, it can't be that hard that I need to follow a tutorial to use a joystick, can I? Well, looks like the y-axis is the wrong way around. Hasn't anybody that designs things ever flown an aircraft before? Crikeys, tip it the other way. My learning is complete. That's incredible. Here I was thinking I'd be learning for the rest of my life, but these guys are telling me my learning is complete. Awesome. Take this thing out again. Wide angle. I'll be using the maximum resolution and frame rate. Alright, the battery looks flat. Well, there's definitely lots of little bits that are going to be easy to lose. I'll need some sort of case, I think, for this. That's for an iPhone, so it won't matter if I lose that. Because nobody likes iPhones. Oh, there it is. All of that stuff. I'm looking forward to getting out there and using this. You'll be seeing what the footage is like soon.